Howdy, officer.
How you doing? Give me your license manifest, boy.
Manifest.
You know you're going 96 miles an hour?
96? You damn right you was.
I didn't know this truck could do 96 miles an hour.
Judge gets a few boys, he's gonna turn you every way but loose.
It's time you truckers learn these roads don't belong to you, boy.
Yeah, I know that. You be careful here.
Take your foot off of that hammer, son, and bears about to fall over you like maple syrup.
10-4, I copy you.
Damn, he's been stirring up the trouble.
To know.
This is a bandit, darling.
Well, where are you, you bodied up, smooth-talking thing? And how can I help? Bring it back.
You still working at that choke and puke on West 85?
Affirmative, affirmative. I'm still dishing it out.
Listen, darling, we're gonna come screaming by there in about 5 minutes with a herd of smokies on our ass. How about getting those pals of yours out there and block them off?
Woo, love to, but hey, you're gonna owe me one.
I owe you a big one.
That's a big 10-4.
10-4.
All right, gang, we're gonna go for a big smoky red 22. Woo-hoo!
All right with me?
Yeah.
Go.
You sure we ain't gonna get in trouble?
I've done it before.
just picked up the bandit eastbound on 95. All units converge.
Copy, Chopper 1. I'm on my way.